Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how people are making $30,000 per month using Instagram in 2025 and how you can build your own income step by step using the real strategies that actually work. So first of all, you need to come on instagram.com and you need to create your brand new page. You will have to first of all pick a niche here. So in order to pick a niche, you can use this search bar and you can search for different types of niches. Like some of them that are working these days are AI and tech tools. So you can simply search for it and you can follow those particular accounts that are in this niche. After that, you can also search for any other niches of your choice like fitness, luxury, or digital products. Your content should solve a problem or offer the value. This builds the trust and the attention. Now you need to use the short form reels or carousels with the valuable tips or entertaining hooks. You need to post at least 3 to 5 times per week, or you can use trending audios and niche specific hashtags and stay consistent. Make sure that you reply to each and every comments, engage with your stories, and consider shout out and exchanges or giveaways to accelerate your growth. Now once you have some decent amount of user base established on Instagram, you can do a bunch of different things in order to monetize your account. Like you can do affiliate marketing. If you click on any of the profiles over here, you will see that in their profile you will see the links of different products that they are referring to. So you can just click on those links, and if you purchase, they are going to earn the commission. So you can also do the same over here. You can sell the digital products, you can sell ebooks, templates, Notion planners, etc. And similarly, you can create different link tree pages here and you can add in your account. If you are using your own face, if you are a UGC creator, you can create the content for someone else, and you can also provide the coaching services if you are into the education niche. So with a focused niche, an engaged audience, and multiple streams, reaching to $30,000 per month becomes a scalable goal. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.